Hi guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video of Facebook marketing, I'm going to teach you Facebook ads performance goals. Well guys, it is very important to understand that what are the Facebook performance goals and what are the objectives are available in Facebook platform and what are the objectives for your business, that what objectives are compatible with your business. And it is obvious that objectives can change time to time according to your business growth, according to your business journey, right? So first you have to determine that what are your objective right now and what are your performance goals right now. So I'm going to take you through a PDF where I'm going to show you that what are the performance goals and objectives are available in Facebook campaigns. So guys, this is the first slide where I have mentioned that I'm going to teach you about Facebook ad objectives and Facebook performance goals. Also, it is formally known as ad delivery options, right? So let's talk about first Facebook objectives, right? Before talking about Facebook performance goals or ad delivery options. So as you can see, these are the 6 performance goals are available in Facebook platform. The first one is awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotions and sales. So as I've already told you that according to your business journey, according to your business growth, your objectives can be changed and your campaign can be designed accordingly. Basically, Facebook campaign can be designed accordingly, right? Also, you can run multiple campaigns. Let's say you are running one campaign for awareness, you are running one campaign, another campaign for traffic, and you are running the third campaign for sales. So it is totally up to you that which type of objective you are choosing for your campaign, for your business right now, right? So the first one is awareness. Awareness is basically for the users who just want to create awareness about their brand. They just want to show themselves to their real user, to their target users. So for that, you have to go with awareness objective. Then we do have traffic objective. Traffic objective is basically, let's say you have a website, right? And you want tons of traffic, thousands of traffic for on your website. So how would you get that? For that, you have to go with traffic objective on Facebook, so that Facebook can bring you hundreds of or millions of traffic on your website. And what is the use, basically what is the benefit of getting thousands or millions of traffic on your website? Indirectly it helps you to create brand awareness, indirectly it helps you to get engagement, get leads, get sales, right? Although this is not for sales exactly, but yeah, you get the traffic, and if the traffic likes your product, if the traffic likes your service, then definitely they will buy or subscribe your service, right? Then we do have engagement campaign. Engagement campaign is basically for the business owners who wants their audience to get engaged with their business, right? You can engage them through your social media post, you can engage them through your website, through your different kind of content marketing strategies, and this comes under engagement objective, right? Then we do have leads. Obviously, leads objective is basically for the business owners who want leads for their business, right? If you want lead for your business, you have to run leads objective. Basically, you have to select leads objective in your uh, campaign, right? Then we do have app promotion. Let's say you have an Android app or you have an iOS app and you want to promote that app so that you can get installations, you can get users for that particular application, right? In that case, you have to select app promotion objective. Then at the end we do have sales. Who doesn't want sales, right? So if you directly want to get sales, you have to run sales campaigns. Although you can't directly just jump into the sales campaign, you have to follow the process, you have to follow the proper digital marketing process. You have to create awareness, you have to get engage your audience, then you have to go to sales part, right? But you get the option here in the objective part, right? Now let's talk about ad delivery options or the Facebook ads performance goal list. So basically there are in total 10 performance goals, right? But you will not be able to see all these 10 performance goals in any objective. Let's say you are selecting awareness objective, right? So in awareness objective you will be able to see only 2 or 3 performance goals like reach, impression, or maybe you can see ad recall lift. So you'll be able to see only these 3 performance goals or ad delivery options, right? So in total we do have 10 performance goals. The first one is reach. Reach is basically for the businesses who want to get maximum number of users or maximum number of audience who have visited their website, who have shown their video, who have shown sorry, who have watched their ad, right? So if you want to get maximum number of audience users, then you have to select reach campaign, right? And then the second we have impressions. Now let's say you want to get maximum number of impressions. The users will be limited, basically the users will be lower than the reach campaign, but the impressions will be high, because in the impressions performance goal the users will see your ad multiple times, so that they can recall your brand, they can remember your brand for a long period of time. But in reach campaign they will see only once, right? Let's say I'm a Facebook user, and if I have seen your ad only once, I'll be qualified as I'll be counted as a qualified user in reach campaign. But in impression campaign, the Facebook platform will show me again and again your ads in order to get your brand remembered, right? Then we have ad recall lift. Ad recall lift is somewhere like impressions, because in this particular campaign performance goal we try to increase our remembrance of our brand. So that's why it is pretty similar than impression, but a bit advanced than impressions, right? Then we have link clicks. Let's say you have created an ad and you have added your link, right? So and you want to get clicks on that particular link. In these campaign performance goals you also add your link, but the objective is not to get a click on that particular link. But in this performance goal the objective is to get a click on that particular link, so that they can visit your website, they can visit your product page or anything else wherever you want them to take, right? And then fifth we have landing page views. Let's say you have created a landing page and you want your users to watch your landing page so that they can learn about your product, learn about your service, right? So for that type of goal you have to select landing page view. Then we have through play views. This is basically for video ads. If you are creating a video ad, then you have to select this kind of performance goals. Either you can go with through play views, either you can go with 2-second continuous video views, right? So what is the use of through play views? Through play views is for, let's say you have created a video of 10 seconds or 15 seconds and you want your user to watch that particular video for at least 10 seconds or maybe for at least 15 seconds, then you have to select through play views. Otherwise, let's say take the same scenario, you have 10-second or 15-second video, right? But you want your users to watch at least for 2 seconds. So for that kind of performance goal you have to select this one, 2-second continuous video views, right? 2 seconds or 4 or more than 2 seconds, right? Then eighth we have number of conversions. So your conversion can be anything. Your conversion can be submitting the lead, your conversion can be liking the post, your conversion can be visiting the landing page. But if you want to focus only on conversions, then you have to select the number of conversion performance goal, or you can say ad delivery option, right? At the second last we have max number of app events. So this is basically for the app promotion campaign, where you want your users to interact with your application and you want to increase the number of events which you have created in your application. The event can be filling out the details, or maybe signing up, or maybe using the application for 5 minutes. So these kind of events you can create in your application, and Facebook will try to increase, or Facebook will try to bring the maximum number of app events, right? And at the end we have app install campaign. So in app promotion you get app installation if you want to get the maximum installation of your application, then you have to select this performance goal. So these are the 10 performance goals which comes under these 6 objectives. I hope you understood. I hope you learned from this video, and in the next videos we are going to practically learn about these objectives and these ad delivery options. So stay connected with the Facebook marketing course, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.